One of the things that makes Loop really useful is it doesn't sit by itself. It can connect to other applications within Microsoft 365, including tasks to Microsoft To Do. Let me show you how that works. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Loop has a task checklist feature available to it, and of course we've also got Microsoft To Do, which is for your personal tasks. Running two separate lists can feel like a pain in the neck and a lot of wasted energy. The good news is it doesn't have to be that way. Your first question is probably, how in Microsoft Loop do I create tasks? Well, the good news is really straightforward. With the right page displayed on the screen, select where you want to create the new task list, and it does need to be a task list, not just a list. You're going to press the / on your keyboard, that's the one on the right hand side, and start typing in task list. That creates a task list with a couple of blank options automatically. Let's send session title and outline to client, and then plan out needed quick ref guides. Simple as that. And if you need more, you click the add task at the bottom to create another row and keep typing. And you'd think maybe that's it. So let me jump to do, and it's on the default screen of my day. We're actually going into assigned to me, and they're not there. Why aren't they there? Well, if you think about it, the section in to do is called assigned to me, and I didn't assign those tasks. So important point, they need to be assigned. Back in Microsoft Loop under our task list, there is a section called assigned to, and when you click in there, it searches and gives you a list of all of the people within this workspace. If the person you're looking for is not listed, you can search for them, but there's just me at the moment. So let's assign these tasks to me. A really useful addition for the task list is you'll notice here at the bottom, it's got my initial. Creating a task list in Loop and assigning people to it, it lists out how many tasks assigned to each person. So if you're working with a group, with a team, then you can make sure that no one person is overwhelmed. Let's jump back, and it doesn't necessarily immediately do it. It does take a couple of minutes potentially. It's finally updated my assigned to me list in to do to show me the additional tasks that have been assigned to me from Microsoft Loop. You might be wondering, how does this help? Well, it means that I can choose to assign tasks to my day. So if I can find that, there we go. So I've got those there. I can start adding items to my day. As I finish those jobs, I can complete the task here in Microsoft To Do. And when I return back to my project plan, I can see that it will update itself and mark it completed here in Microsoft Loop. You might find it easier to plan your tasks out as part of your projects using Microsoft Loop, but then work from To Do on a day-to-day basis. It means that you don't have to maintain two separate task lists. You've got one task list visible and synchronized between two different apps to help you work how you want to. It helps keep your planning in Loop and your daily work in To Do connected without you having to manually update everything. Are you somebody who already uses Microsoft To Do to keep your tasks organized? Has this tip given you that prompt to try out and maybe start using Microsoft Loop as well? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you don't miss any future tips and tricks by subscribing to the channel and clicking that notification bell. Oh, and remember to click the like on this video to let me and YouTube know that you found it useful. That's all for today. I'll see you next time.